Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Wednesday, the 21st of April 2026. So markets volatile to prospect of US-Iran talks while Trump extends a ceasefire. So again, no surprise there, is there? Oil spikes, stocks suddenly dump during Warsh's first hearing. There's probably no more pressing question than the cost of living and also interest rates as well. Highly unlikely US will extend ceasefire is what was out yesterday, but we've just been told from the latest headlines that he's going to. Lots of bombs will go off. No deal is what Trump's saying, but then overnight, of course, Trump is saying Trump extends Iran's ceasefire as he says Strait of Hormuz is totally blockaded. So again, you just don't know what to believe anymore. Economic news today. What have we got? 7 a.m. We've got UK CPI. That will be an interesting one. Forecast it to rise to 3.3. Right, let's have a look at this volatility from yesterday and kick off with the Dow. So in the daily chart of the Dow, we were making progress early on in the day. Then Warsh spoke and that put the kibosh on everything. And there you can see we're still above the 5-bar moving average. We're still green in the MDI there as well, but in the 30-minute chart you can see the morning was fine, the pre-market, but as soon as the cash market opened we were down, and then this is Warsh speaking and the market reacting and then bringing the market back. In the German DAX, it too was subject to the sell-off, the market back or closing just below the 200-bar moving average, but starting to move back to the upside there now. 30-minute chart, we were fine in the morning, then the market decided to sell off in the afternoon, and again you can see trying to come back now that Warsh has made his statement, his very first statement before Powell disappears, and the market they're moving up quite nicely. We've got prices also trading back above the DP there as well. In the S&P 500, the all-time high remains at the moment, which you can see there. We've got two lines. Let me just get the all-time high for you, which goes back to this bar, and then I'll just move it over so you can see it, and I'll also save it so I don't have to do this each morning. So the market not breaching its all-time high yesterday. We came close, but there is double resistance there now at the 71.48 level. 30-minute chart, just the same as the Dow there, going below the 200 MA, but coming back above that and also back above the DP on the overnight. Yesterday's, yesterday the high from, where are we today? It's Wednesday, isn't it? So Monday's high, then you can see the market moving down once it broke the high there as well. So in the FT 100, we can see the market down yesterday. Thought it would have been lower given what's going on politically, but of course it's a rigged game, and that's why we're seeing their support at the average lines. There's the 30-minute chart. You can see the sell-off there. So a combination of wars and Starmer's political career, but he's Teflon, isn't he? I can't see him going even with this, to be honest with you, though he should be fired instantly. But no, the arrogance of the man is too much, and he will stay as long as he can stay. Right, let's have a look at the Nasdaq. And in the Nasdaq, the all-time high not taken out yesterday, down slightly, but closed back above the 5-bar moving average and is poised to move sharply higher today by the looks of things. Despite moving down, we're more or less regained all of the ground. We just need to get through this high, and that will take you back to all-time highs there as well. Let's have a look at the US dollar. So in the US dollar, up yesterday and down overnight. So if we have a look at the metals, let's just see what's going on there as well. In the Far East, we're at $88, and again you've got a premium of $10. The gold-silver ratio is down slightly, as we can see there, because gold is down more overnight percentage terms than silver. And the COMEX inventory latest warehouse data has dropped. It's no longer elevated, down to 64 there. Right, let's have a look at the metals. So in the daily chart of silver, down yesterday but back up overnight, which you can see there in the Far East. just moving back up nicely. Oversold yesterday, but again, no surprise there. Is it opportunity to smack the price? They will do. And meanwhile, gold also down as well. This is on comments made by Warsh apparently. And there you can see the market coming back from the move to the downside, so making its way back quite nicely there. Right, let's have a quick look at yesterday's trades. So once again, technical issues, so I haven't got the recording, but this one, this first trade was a loser. The second one moved up quite nicely there. And if we just move forward, we'll see what happened in the afternoon as well. This is a sort of a recording of me scrolling the chart, not obviously the recording of each bar. So we had another long in the afternoon and then a lovely short that moved down very nicely indeed. Let's just have a look and see what's happening overnight. And overnight, whoops, it's just not there. There we go. So overnight prices are moving to the upside, which we can see there, moving up nicely. Following yesterday's sell-off, which we just saw yesterday afternoon and into the evening. So, yep, that's a quick roundup of events and what's going on. So let's see what happens today and what happens in the next couple of days with regards to these so-called discussions once more that are not obviously moving forward at all. So we'll just have to see what Trump's reaction is going to be with regard to these when they fail again. Anyway, let's enjoy the weather at the moment. It's very nice. And with that, have a great day. And as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.